Our modern lifestyle is tough on the gut, with stress, poor sleep, processed food, and constant snacking. Inside your gut lives a whole ecosystem of microbes that helps digest food and protect the gut lining. When that community gets out of balance, digestion can feel off, with bloating and irregularity. Supplements can help, but simple whole foods can feed your good bacteria every day. In this video we'll walk through 5 gut-friendly foods you can add to normal meals. We'll keep it simple, showing what each food does for your gut. You don't need a chef's kitchen or expensive gadgets to do this. Let's start with an easy one from a regular grocery store: kefir. Kefir is a tangy drink made by fermenting milk with bacteria and yeasts. That fermentation fills kefir with live microbes, sometimes more variety than yogurt. Some microbes can pass through your gut and support healthier balance. Kefir may be easier on lactose than plain milk. Choose plain, unsweetened kefir because flavored versions add sugar. A simple way to start is with a small glass at breakfast. If you're new to fermented foods, ease in slowly and see how you respond. Kefir is a simple way to add live microbes to your diet. Sauerkraut and kimchi start as plain cabbage, but fermentation turns them into gut-friendly foods. During fermentation, natural bacteria feed on the cabbage sugars and multiply. Those bacteria interact with your gut microbiome and help increase diversity. Sauerkraut can support the gut barrier compared with raw cabbage alone. Look for raw, refrigerated products if you want live cultures. A forkful or 2 on the side of lunch or dinner is a great start. If your stomach is sensitive, start with milder sauerkraut first. A little fermented cabbage can help keep your gut ecosystem more diverse. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber your gut bacteria love. That fiber travels to the colon, where microbes take over. As bacteria ferment oat fiber, they make short-chain fatty acids. Oat fiber also helps keep things moving smoothly. Overnight oats are an easy, gut-friendly breakfast. Classic oatmeal works too, with nuts, seeds, and fruit. If you're not used to fiber, start with a smaller portion. Oats are slow, steady fuel for your good bacteria. Slightly green bananas have a different superpower: resistant starch. Resistant starch passes your small intestine and reaches the colon. In the colon, bacteria ferment into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. That slower digestion can smooth out blood sugar spikes. You can blend half a green banana into a smoothie for gentle gut support. Green banana flour is another way to add resistant starch. If you're sensitive, start with a very small amount and build up slowly. In small, steady amounts, green bananas can be a powerful prebiotic. Beans and lentils are some of the most affordable gut-friendly foods. Their fibers reach your colon and feed a wide range of bacteria. Legume-rich diets are linked with more diverse, helpful gut communities. In research, lentils also link to healthier weight and metabolic markers. Soaking and cooking beans well makes them easier to digest. If beans upset your stomach, start with a small serving and increase slowly. You can add them to chili, curries, salads, or stews you already like. Over time, legumes help feed a diverse microbiome and a more regular gut.